All right, guys, we're here at the Pono Makena estate with a bunch of these lovely ladies, and I'm gonna give you guys a home tour video of this. But first, let me show you guys this spread right here. This is awesome. Wow. I literally just met everyone like 10 seconds ago, and they're just welcoming us into this beautiful beachfront estate. How many acres is this?
3.23.
3.23 acres.
Legit oceanfront acres in Makena.
So this is Amber. She's super awesome. I just met her, and she's gonna give us a home tour of this entire estate.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Jeremy here, and I'm here with these beautiful ladies on this amazing, huge Maui estate. And one of my new friends, Amber Lee, she actually helped her client buy this property a couple years ago. And Amber, she's actually gonna give us a property tour of this entire estate. So Amber, go ahead.
Yeah, my pleasure. Welcome to Pono Makena. So we're at 7750 Makena Road. There is 3.23 legitimate oceanfront acreage that I'm going to show you. It's right along the coastline, a little bit past Biggs and Big Beach, and it doesn't exist anywhere else. You're about to see a slice of heaven. Follow me.
Let's go.
I mean, you can see right here the floating bed that we have and our outdoor table. This is where we enjoy most of the meals. So if you think of the heart of the home being the kitchen and sharing time and laughter, conversations, creating memories, there is no better spot to be really in the whole state of Hawaii than here on this absolutely pristine coastline. It's fully protected and private. We actually have something called the Steven Tyler Act.
Hold up. Did she just say the Steven Tyler Act? So I actually Googled the Steven Tyler Act to see if it was real, and would you look at that? It's real. It's basically a bill that was passed by the state of Hawaii to protect celebrities from paparazzi taking, pictures and videos near their private property. That's pretty crazy.
Believe it or not, but that's our nearest neighbor. And he has come through and went through the process of getting all of this area that's adjacent to Ahihi Canal Marine Reserve protected. So it's a no-fly zone, no photography can be detected. Because it's a marine reserve, there's no boating, no jet skis, no fishing, none of it. You are absolutely, to me when I stay here, I feel like it's really your own mini isle. You are completely secluded. There's a lot of properties along coastlines, but they've got a road in front of it. Right? There's a lot even on the road, Makena Road. You've still got the public going by. They're making their noise. You got the local boys drinking their beers, their pit bulls, their parties, their fishermen. Here is legitimately never going to change. Generationally, we will have this protection of privacy and this sanctuary.
So Amber said she sleeps out here. This is so awesome. Oh wow, and you have you have this I guess bug net. Wow, I could totally sleep out here too.
You get a breeze. You got the sound of the ocean. There's no bugs. There really isn't, just the wind. And the sunsets here are absolutely fabulous.
Oh my gosh.
We call this the floating bed.
This is the floating bed. I'm floating.
There's a
What she was saying about the Steven Tyler Act is that no one can boat here or fly drones and all that, so it's entirely private. So that means I could sleep here, walk around naked, and just have fun and enjoy my privacy. That's right?
Welcome to our world.
Wow, that's so cool. Thank you,
Steven Tyler.
Yeah, thank you, Steven Tyler. Yeah. If I'm correct, when I was speaking to Amber off the camera, she was saying that her client is actually trying to sell this property, and you guys were in escrow, but now you're not in escrow. But even though it's off market, they are trying to sell this property. What is your client asking for?
Yeah, sure. Our price point is $26 million. That's really the price point of the land.
Yes.
There isn't anything like this that exists anywhere. So we worked diligently over the last 2 years. If you work in DLNR or have anything to do with surveying or even in real estate, we've worked 2 years in order to get our shoreline certification. So we're right at our final tier of shoreline certification, which means that you'll be able to come in, you'll be able to start where we finished, and then gut the main house, remodel it, put your touch, your colors, your taste on it, and it will be the absolute most elegant, sweetest, simple beach house on a piece of heaven.
Yeah, this is crazy. So again, it's 26 million on 3.23 acres. Wow, I've never been on a property that big in any like part of Hawaii. At least on Oahu anyway. So
at oceanfront.
Yeah, oceanfront.
And I didn't even show you our ocean access.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's so much more.
So speaking of which, we're gonna go down over there on that level and we're gonna check out the ocean.
I would just say yeah. No, because I would say at least 15. I'm telling you right now. If you could just stand up in my mind, I would like to.
Okay, so now we're at like the lower part of the area where there's pretty much all land, and Amber was telling me that we are like in eyesight of some famous beaches on Maui. So Amber, tell me about those beaches.
Yeah, so if you haven't heard of it already, so Big Beach and Little Beach down this coastline is untouched. It's some of the more desirable white sand beaches, epic shore break. If we were comparing it to Oahu, it'd be a bit of sand dunes, but lighter.
Okay.
And stunning. I mean, just perfect white sand. So that's that whole coastline. If you go over that black rock at that point, you've got a new beach. You've got Little Beach, which is also famous for its drum circles. And around this one, you can see Molokini, you get Little Crater, you've got Lave, you've got Big Eye. On a really clear day, you can see 5 islands from here.
Wow.
And I won't even get into whale season. It is ridiculous. I literally was staying here in the summer. We watched a mama birth a whale right here. We literally crawled out. We didn't dive in the water. We were kept in June, but thought to protect her. We crawled out of the rock and literally just sat for like 45 minutes and watched one of the most incredible things I've ever seen. The whales jumping everywhere. I mean, I can go into the rainbows and the sunrises and sunsets, but it is magic on any given day. This here is our property's entrance to the ocean. So all those kayaks and all the supboards and everything else we have in the corner now, we used to have right here to the sides of the grass we grow back. These are right here by the ocean. You drive down the high pad, paddle right out. Incredible. 6:30 in the morning, 7 in the morning, grab a board, paddle down the coastline, cruise around all the way to Littles, back. No wind day, paddle up and around the coast past La Perouse.
There's nothing like this.
Yeah, there's absolutely nothing like this. And the thing about it too is that because it's conservation and because it's in such a protected conservation zone, it will never ever change. There is no development. There is, as far as the eye can see around here, all black lava, and no land is developable behind this property or to the opposite side.
Just wanted to remind the viewers that again, this property is for sale.
Yep.
It's off market for now, but I think it will be going on market.
Yeah, we're just we're revamping a few things. Feel free to give me a call anytime. Number is 808-989-4468. You can reach me by email if that's good for you as well.
We're gonna put our email and information right here.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
All right.
Awesome.